Okay, so this video is going to show you how to factor quadratics when the leading coefficient is 1. Okay. Now, this is a quadratic, okay, meaning the degree is 2. The highest exponent is 2, so this is a quadratic. You have to factor it. Now, when the leading coefficient is 1, the number before the squared term is 1, those are the quick method factoring ones. So these are not long problems at all, as long as you know the shortcut method. Okay? The shortcut method is you need to find two numbers that multiply to this value, the C value, the 10, and they have to add to the B value, which in this case is 7. Okay, the two numbers have to multiply to 10 and add to 7. Multiply to 10 and add to 7. Can you think of them? It's 5 and 2. So when you factor it, you're going to factor it like this. T plus 5 times T plus 2. And that is the final answer to that problem. That is factored. That was quick. Okay. Try another one. Example 2. Again, the leading coefficient is 1. The number before y squared is 1. So all you have to do is you have to find two numbers that multiply to 40 and add to negative 13. Multiply to 40 and add to negative 13. You just have to be careful for the signs on your answer. Multiplies to 40, adds to negative 13 is negative 8 and negative 5. So you factor it to become y minus 8 times y minus 5. And that is the final answer. Another one, factor x squared plus x minus 72. Okay, so again, you have a quadratic. It's a trinomial, 3 terms, and the leading coefficient is 1. So that means all you have to do is you have to find two numbers that multiply to negative 72 and add to 1. Okay, they have to multiply to negative 72 and add to 1. So take a second, think about it, pause the video if you have to. But it's going to be 9 and negative 8. If you accidentally switch them and you say positive 8, negative 9, that is incorrect because positive 8 and negative 9 do not add to equal 1. So this is the answer, and this is the only answer. Now you could switch these two around. You could say x minus 8 first and then x plus 9. That's fine. But the 9 has to be positive and the 8 has to be negative. And let's do one more. Example 4. Z squared minus 7z minus 30. So again, a trinomial, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. It's a quadratic because the biggest degree is 2, and the leading coefficient is 1. So all you have to do is find two numbers that multiply to negative 30 and add to negative 7. So pause the video if you have to, but the answer is going to be negative 10 and positive 3. Again, if you accidentally put plus 10 and negative 3, that's wrong because that does not add to negative 7. It has to be negative 10 and positive 3. So that is the answer. And that is how you factor quadratics when the leading coefficient is equal to 1.